Hey guys, what's good? Coming at y'all with a quick video of another little watch I picked up. Something really nice from a company called, gosh, I don't know how to pronounce this, Vaer, V-A-E-R. Check them out at vaerwatches.com. And this is, man, this is a lot of watch for the money. This is their model DS4 Meridian. It's a solar-powered quartz movement, which is awesome. And it is very inexpensive. I got this for around $259 plus shipping. I thought it was like a really great deal. That's like brand new from the company. This is a 38 millimeter watch, and they also make it in 42 millimeters. They come on rubber straps like this. They come on bracelets. They come in automatic. They come in an American-made quartz version, and this is, I think, a Japanese-made solar quartz version. This is probably the cheapest watch that they make. Like I said, at $259, and man, it's a lot of bang for the buck. Got a lot of cool stats on this watch, and we'll just talk about them briefly. So it's 38 millimeters in diameter, and you can see that it's just really, really well finished there. No date function on this one, and it's got a pretty nice bezel. Got some nice, easy to grip teeth right there, and so it's kind of like a typical dive watch, monodirectional timing bezel. Works well, great action. It's got a screw down crown, and the crown is really well done. It's signed, 20 millimeter lug width. And look at this, the case is kind of like interesting in that it has Omega style twisted or lyre lug. So something similar that you see on the Omega Seamasters, kind of like a similar treatment on the lugs here. So stainless steel, of course, and the watch is 200 meters water resistant. Just a really cool bit of kit, really nice little watch. And really inexpensive. Let me show you what else comes in it. So this is the cheapest version, $259. You can see it's got some brushed and polished finishes. 20 millimeter lug width. So the cheapest one comes with this rubber strap with a signed buckle. And so the box is kind of simple. So it's got this little sleeve here. It kind of reminds me a little bit of a like a Nomos box. And so that opens up. The watch was here, and look, you get an extra strap too, so that's really cool. So you get this nylon strap that's like really, really well made. Actually, this kind of reminds me a lot of the strap that that OWR gives you with their F1 series watch. Remember, check out my video of that orange F1 with that cool textile strap. So that's it. Let's get this thing on the wrist and check it out. Okay, give me a second. All right, guys, we're back, and let's see this this Vaer Meridian Solar Quartz Dive Watch on the wrist. I've got the trusty IWC Polished Chronograph 41. That's the Patronus Special Edition. Please watch my video on this watch. Such a beautiful watch, all titanium. All right, but listen, it's not about this watch. So put this away, and let's get this bad boy on the wrist. It's a cool size, man. It's 38 millimeters. So it's kind of like a mid-size dive watch, and so we'll get that strap on. Super good strap, by the way. Really good quality rubber. People that buy a lot of straps know what I mean. Sometimes you get like this cheap kind of silicone-y strap, but this has got really great quality. Tons of sizing, and there it is on the wrist. I love the watch. I think it's really cool. I think it makes a really good watch to give to somebody as a gift at only $259. That's a nice watch at a really good price, and the quality is just like blowing me away. It is so solid on the wrist. It's not like there's no like jangling, or it's not like chintzy in any way. It feels solid. The action of the bezel is really good, man. It's like really good bezel action, really good quality. There's not a lot of play in the bezel, and so it's kind of like you get a really good quality bezel. It's got a solar quartz movement, which is huge. I'm a big quartz fan. I have a lot of quartz watches. I like the solar quartz though. Even high-end Swiss brands are going with solar quartz technology. Cartier recently released a tank with a solar quartz movement. I never thought I'd see the day where they would adopt that kind of tech, but they have. And so this brand, Vaer, offers a lot of bang for the buck. It's very inexpensive. They could charge double for this and it would still be a really good deal. I like the style of the watch too, you know. It's got like a little bit of like a Rolex mil sub vibe to the dial and hands. It's got a little bit of an Omega Seamaster vibe to the case shape. But, you know, even though it's the amalgamation of a lot of different kind of styles, it still kind of comes across as its own thing. Like it's not trying to be an homage as much as it is just sort of borrowing some stylistic cues to come up with something new and something different. Listen, at 250 bucks from the manufacturer, brand new, yes, all day, yes. I mean, that is such a good deal. I mean, I can't even get a strap for my Omega Seamaster, I mean, from Omega at that price. And so the idea that they can put out a watch with a solar quartz Japan-made movement with this kind of build quality at $250, I mean, that is just awesome. I'd highly recommend them. You know, check out the website. And if you're not into quartz or if you're not into solar quartz, they have automatic watches. They have watches with USA-made quartz movements. And so, you know, and they have them in all different sizes. They have a bracelet option. You know, for me, you know, I'm about the straps. The other cool thing about these straps, sorry, before I forget, is that they all have the quick release spring bars, including in the rubber straps, so that makes it easy. I think even the bracelets have a quick release technology, so it's really cool to see that tech trickling down to even watches at this price range. Man, at $250, hard to think of a watch that has this much style, this much quality, and this much just this much thought put into it. I think it's a great purchase. I think it's a really great buy. I'm rambling as usual, but I hope you like this quick look at something interesting I got in. It's a Vaer, V-A-E-R. Check them out at vaerwatches.com. Like really cool watches. They seem like really nice people. It's a Southern California brand, and you can kind of just really feel that vibe in some of their pieces. And listen, if you don't like this boring black one, they have all different kinds of colors. They have this really cool blue dial with these gilt finishes on it. That looks kind of awesome too. Anyway, guys, I hope you like this quick look at this really nice watch. It's a Vaer Meridian Solar 38mm diver. All right, guys, appreciate y'all hanging in there. Appreciate y'all logging on. Looking forward to making some more videos for y'all soon. Take care. Bye.